From a bicycle to a space shuttle, the world runs on precision engineering. And when it comes to precision engineering, there is one pioneering name that has stood out for more than 50 years. Micromatic Grinding Technologies. Today, MGT delivers precision engineering solutions across diverse industries. Through its plants in Ghaziabad and Bengaluru. Driven by a vision to evoke pride and impact society through precision engineering, MGT has not only set its own standards, but has also constantly bettered them.
You can only be proud if you better yourself every day. It is this pursuit of pride that has constantly driven us to improve right from day one.
A journey that started as a small tool room in 1973 has seen MGT grow from strength to strength, achieving innumerable accolades along the way.
At MGT, we not only take pride in what we do, but also in how we do it, from developing a machine to its testing protocol. Whatever we do, we follow processes with precision.
Precision is at the core of our industry, but for us, it is also at core of how we live, because only precise thoughts can deliver precise machines.
MGT strives every day to deliver best-in-class precision engineered solutions through its machines. All these machines are then customized to cater to the varying needs of customers across multiple industries. MGT believes that precision is a constantly changing marker. What is precise today will not be precise tomorrow. Which is why higher precision is impossible without continuous innovation.
We have always been driven towards innovation in product design, manufacturing, application, testings, automations, and sales, all to find more productive and cost-effective solutions for our customers.
From being the first Indian company to deliver a cylindrical grinding machine in 1977 that matched the global accuracy standard of 2-micron roundness, to now making machines that deliver less than half a micron with integrated advanced robotics and IIoT. Innovation has been the bedrock of MGT's growth.
Our collaborations with CMTI, Toyota and IIT Madras have led to technical innovations like precision hydrodynamic spindle, hydromotor for in-feed, hydrostatic spindle, and guideways, and the NGPG next generation precision grinder, all aimed at increasing accuracy standards for our customers while also reducing costs. That's why we innovate to service our customer better.
MGT does not merely make machines. It builds long-lasting solutions and relationships, which is why their service unit, Micromatic Machine Tools, strives relentlessly to ensure that the needs of their customers are met at all times. The service team regularly conducts customer satisfaction surveys for its installed solutions, leading to countless improvements.
It is this spirit of collaboration that inspires us to do what we do.
All our machines are created through a collaborative approach with our customers so that their needs can be at the forefront right from the beginning.
Collaboration is a spirit that is deeply rooted in the company's culture.
Our culture is one of an interdependence. We see the organization, the employees, the environment, society, and the government, all as a part of an interdependent ecosystem.
Employees are at the epicenter of MGT's cultural ethos. The success of its employee-centric initiatives is visible from the fact that it has managed to build a team that grows together year on year.
We practice interdependence not just in spirit but also in action. For us, today's culture creates tomorrow's future.
Innovate and improve is the mantra for our R&D team, which can be seen through its persistent work on projects listed under the technology roadmap, such as developing high-performance machines. This helps us stay competitive in this rapidly evolving manufacturing industry.
When I took over as the MD of this company, we were 40 years old. I thank all those who came before me and created this enterprise. And I thank those who will come after me and carry it forward. We might have completed a long journey of more than 50 years, but our focus is on the next 50 and beyond.
MGT for me is precision engineering. Every micron matters.
Our innovations are just getting started.
When the customer grows, so do we.
And when the ecosystem grows, all of us do.
We are MGT and we are becoming the best.